We think of money as something stable, solid, a foundation of human civilization. But history tells a darker story. Money is just a collective illusion, built entirely on a fragile foundation of trust. And when that trust breaks, empires crumble, republics fall, and fortunes turn to ash. Welcome to this 5-part crash course on the anatomy of currency crises. Over the next 5 videos, we travel across 9 centuries to look at distinct moments when currency crises wreaked havoc. We begin our journey in China, 1108. The Song dynasty did something revolutionary. They invented paper money. But they quickly learned a lesson that modern central banks still struggle with. As military campaigns demand funding, the money printing press is a seductive trap. You'll watch how the world's very first fiat currency went from economic miracle to quasi-hyperinflation. Next, we cross the globe to France, 1795. The French Revolution promised liberty and equality, but behind the political chaos was a broken balance sheet. To fund the new republic, the government issued assignats, paper bonds backed by seized church lands. This economic policy, enforced by the blade of a guillotine, resulted in history's first hyperinflation. But if you want to see the mother of all hyperinflations, you must look at Hungary, 1946. In the wake of World War II, the Hungarian pengo experienced the most violent hyperinflation ever recorded in human history. Prices didn't double every year or every month. Prices doubled every 15 hours. We'll examine the human survival tactics that emerge when paper money becomes less valuable than the ink printed on it. But currency crises aren't just reserved for war-torn nations or ancient empires. They strike modern powers too. In our 4th video, we dive into Britain, 1967. Post-war economic strain, massive trade deficits, and international speculators forced the British government into a humiliating televised devaluation of the pound sterling. It was one of history's first speculative attacks by currency traders. Finally, we bring the lessons into the modern era with the 1990s hyperinflation wave. As the Soviet Union collapsed, a domino effect of currency meltdowns tore through its sphere of influence. This coincided with hyperinflation in Latin America. As a consequence of its 1980s debt crisis, this video serves as our modern warning sign, showing that international capital flights can destabilize entire regions in the blink of an eye. Whether it's ancient China, revolutionary chaos in France, or the complex global markets of the 20th century, the red flags of a collapsing currency are eerily similar. By packaging these 5 historical events together, this crash course will give you the framework to spot these fault lines in today's world. And to check your knowledge, you may take this pop quiz at any time in your journey. The printing presses are ready. The trust is thinning. Let's dive into episode 1.